Always double cleanse. I like to start with an oil cleanser to thoroughly take off all of my makeup. When you use an oil cleanse, dry hands, dry face, couple pumps of the oil, massage thoroughly, and then I go right in with my gel cleanser. I like to take a little bit of this, a little water on my fingertips, massage, it gels up nicely, takes off everything, I feel thoroughly cleaned. So double cleanse. Exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week. Even the most sensitive skins benefit from exfoliation regularly. There are a few different modalities of exfoliation you can explore based on your particular skin type. For the most sensitive skin, I recommend an enzyme. This is a fruit enzyme mask you leave on for 5 to 8 minutes and take off with a warm washcloth. Like little Pac-Man, the enzymes eat the dead skin off the surface without compromising the skin underneath, so you shouldn't get red. A light but more regular form of exfoliation is the alpha hydroxy acid gel cleanser from Natura Bissé. It's got a healthy dose of alpha hydroxys to get rid of that dead skin without stripping moisture. And then we have Natura Bissé's Glyco Extreme Peel. This is a little bit more aggressive, a little bit like skin that can take it. You can do this twice a week and it'll really give you that glow. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week will ensure that your skin stays healthy, absorbs ingredients better, and also you have that healthy glow. Use glowy product. Glowy skin appears to be healthy skin. So if you're exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week, that's great. You're probably gonna have a little bit of a glow, but to get even better, we can apply the glow. There are lots of products out there that can deliver the look of healthy luminescence. One of them is Natura Bissé's Luminous SPF 40. This is a universally tinted sunscreen, so even better, you get your sun protection too. And it will give your skin a healthy glow all day. And it's a universal tint, so good for any skin tone, any time of year. Laura Mercier's Light Revealer Tinted Moisturizer is a glowy formulation of her original. It, in my experience, has a little bit less coverage than the original, so just cards on the table there so you know what you're getting into, but it is beautiful, especially for the warmer months when you want that effortless glow, and it's an SPF as well. And then finally, let's say you're more of a natural kind of person and you don't really want so much of a cosmetic look or foundation-y glow. The Jane Iredale Illuminating Glow Smooth Affair Primer is actually clear except for a little bit of luminescence. It's a shea butter base, beautifully hydrating, and you can apply this on clean skin and get going, and you'll have that glow all day. Don't forget specialized lip care. Often my clients are very good about doing their facial cleansers and serums and moisturizers, but we forget about the lips needing their own special care, kind of like the eye area. A nice cheat, whatever you're using on your eyes, is typically sensitive enough to use on your lips and around your lip line. So if you already have that in your cabinet at home, go ahead and give that a try. But if you're in the market for something that's a little bit heavier hitting, let's say you get dry or you really want to address texture of the lip, the SkinCeuticals Antioxidant Lip Repair is one of my favorite things on this planet. I use it every single night. It keeps me from chapping, it keeps me nice and hydrated, and it also has a light duty plumping effect thanks to the moisturizer in it. It is fantastic and one of my must-haves. Always set your makeup with a hydrating spray. Even better if it has a boost of antioxidants or other good for you ingredients. Two of my favorites are Jane Iredale's Palm Mist and her Lavender Hydrating Spray. A couple spritzes will do you. It smells delightful and they both take great care of the skin and impart a little bit of a glow. My other faves, Natura Bissé, we have the Diamond Mist. I love this for my special occasions and especially my brides because it gives the skin not only hydration but also a nice glow for your big day. And then for sporty ladies or for people that are looking for a little bit of a fresher finish and like that citrus smell, the C+C Splash is wonderful. This is great even on the tennis court. If you want a little bit of a refresh, just spritz, spritz, and you're good.